Native Living, Then and Now, Chanel Child Schoonover, UAF, Anthropology. Abstract. This reading will compare traditional Native Alaskan living to modern-day Native Alaskan living. This will include nutrition, knowledge, and climate change. Traditional Alaskan food, or country food, consists of caribou, salmon, moose, muskox, bison, whitefish, pike, walrus, seal, waterfowl, and greens. Most of this obtained through subsistence living and subsistence activities. Subsistence activities consist of hunting, fishing, trapping, and gathering. The gathering consisted of picking berries, greens, and egg hunting. 90% of traditional food intake consists of primarily fish, seal oil, and seal oil independently contributed to 69% of the energy intake. Berseman, 2007. Winters in Alaska last for 6 months from November to February with little to no sun. Uamek and kayaks were traditional means of hunting by sea. Eskimo Hunters, 1949. Guns, bows and arrows, as well as fishing lines were also traditionally used tools for hunting. Trading posts also were used for goods that were hard to come by. These skills were passed down through the generations through traditional knowledge. The knowledge passed down consisted of techniques and teachings that have worked through the generations. These teachings consist of hunting, fishing, trapping, storing, preparing meats, and making clothes. Indigenous knowledge is developed over a lifetime. It is also based on gender and employment, of performance and activity. Everything that is learned is put into practice. The knowledge is also based on location, gender, and tribe, as well as time spent in said location. Men are the hunters, while women do all the gathering and processing work. Traditional Alaska is a we world, liking PBIS and the values of Alaskan Native peoples. Traditional hunting grounds can vary from the land to the snow. The ice can span about 20 miles and would stay into the springtime. Large icebergs could last into fishing season. Though the ice may retreat during the break, this is normal. There is still multi-layer ice that returns each season. This ice can be 3 to 5 feet thick. Alaska Sea Grant. The ice is thick, heavy, solid, safe, and reliable. The ice provides habitats for the animals in the community, for seals, polar bears, walrus, and seabirds. Alaska Sea Grant.